Because then we could talk about what the Slay the Dragon is. Am I live?
It's starting.
Okay.
Give it a second.
Okay.
I don't know why it takes forever.
I don't know. It's probably...
Alright, now you are.
Hey guys, I'm Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parker Street, 154 in Acworth, Georgia. Two great locations. One's at 3473 Cherokee Street in Kennesaw, Georgia. If I'm speaking too fast, just go to our website. That's www.computersplususa.com, and you'll get our two locations, and you'll get all of our tech tips that we give out every day. You'll visit you can see our online store. You can send us a message in real time, and we'll respond in real time. Or at least if we have time to respond. No, seriously, we'll respond in real time.
You can also check us up on YouTube as
well. And YouTube as well, our YouTube channel. What's happening in 2 weeks, Kat? Dragon is in 2 weeks, and in Dragon Con because now COVID is now not officially over, but we found ways to live with it. And not be so, social distance locked in. Dragon is coming back in 2 weeks, and so a lot of people, they did it last year, but they were still slowly. They didn't make it as large. No, they did.
No, it was.
Oh, I missed it. Well, I missed it because
Yeah, we still did it big.
So Dragon is coming back in 2 weeks, and if you've ever been to Dragon Con, it gets over 80,000 people in Atlanta.
Closest personal friends.
It is so amazing. You see all these costumes, all these characters. It's like the Avengers / X-Men / anime on steroids. These are people that are all into costume. They have parades, they have booths, they have food. You meet a lot of celebrities that are in some of these movies, such as Star Wars or maybe Power Rangers. We lost the Green Power Ranger last year. Mm-hmm. If anyone knows about that, or if you're not aware, we lost the Green Ranger last year from suicide. And we talked previously on the last video about suicide and prevention and just with veterans. So that's always a subject that needs more attention.
I think his
than
last
normally gets
film, because I haven't.
Yeah, because he would go to all the Dragon Cons. He would be at all the Dragons, and so Kat being the person more into the etiquette, the proper etiquette of Dragon etiquette. Like I said, Slay the Dragon means what again?
So it's not necessarily like a terminology. It's Slay the Dragon is a terminology for the people that work it.
So if you work at Dragon Con, or even if you're a vendor or you're going there to look at all the cool costumes, or maybe you have one costume of your own, because I know some people work like years on their costume and they are able to showcase it at this event. Or
they spend 12 hours.
12 hours gluing glitter. They're actually taking glitter, and they really spend a lot of time on these costumes, and it takes a lot of effort and a lot of time. So what we're going to do is that if you come into Computers Plus store, whether you have your badge or if you're in your costume, we're going to make sure that we take notice of you, and we're going to make sure everyone else takes notice of you. If you come in your costume, you get 15% off. If you come with your badge, you get, what are we doing here? 15 or 10? His costume, I want to see costumes like Hollywood. Because our Halloween costume contest is coming up again. We do it every single year. No, one year we did pets. One year we did pets. We did pets. We did the carving of the pumpkin. Yep. And we had this really cool carving of this pumpkin. And just to let you know, when people have an impression, unlike me, and I'm like the person you want to have an impression on, I'm the person you want to have an impression on. This one customer, her name is Kelly, I won't say what her last name was, she made this really cool pumpkin, and she carved it, and it was amazing. I was just like, wow. So Kelly, if you're watching this podcast now, shout out to that carving that you've done. That left an impression in me that lasts forever.
She was actually my friend.
She one of your friends.
Yeah, she won.
Hey, that sounds fishy. No. But her pumpkin was amazing, though.
Yeah.
Her pumpkin was super amazing. She had one in first place. Like, hands down. So, hey, we're all friends here. So, if you got a friend that is a really great in cosplay, have them come in. They are going to get 15% off any service or any product. If you come with your badge, you're getting 10% off any service or any product.
It's got to be this year's badge.
This year's badge. Don't come with like 2019, 2020, or not 2020, because if you come with 2020, we know they stopped dragging in 2020, right? For that 1 year, right?
No.
Well, they did it online.
No.
They did it online virtually.
No. They did an online version. They have always done in person.
Yeah. So if you have, so we're going to check the badges to make sure it's 2023. It starts in 2 weeks. In October, we have a Halloween contest.
Labor Day weekend, baby.
Labor Day weekend. Hey, have a blast. If you've never been, they have a parade. They have
on Saturday.
Food, vendors. It's a great thing to get out of the house, get off the computer.
Yeah, Marriott this year is actually doing IV drips.
Some people even rent rooms because they have the parade, they have the
some people actually
it's like Mardi Gras like Mardi Gras. I mean, I'm sure Mardi Gras has more and more vendors than Dragon Con, but it is like the Mardi Gras of the cons, Dragon Con.
So we've actually, in retrospect, had celebrities prefer Dragon over Comic-Con because it's more interpersonal for like us.
Yeah, I mean, I think Atlanta's like the mecca of like cons. Like they have everything else. They have like card. We have
one convention least per month.
Yeah.
So there's at least a minimum of one con per month.
They should have a con for a con.
And
like everyone just.
So you've got Cardboard Con.
Comes in the con that they want
weekend,
to be.
You've got like some other stuff that goes on.
We have Game Con. We have to postpone Game Con. We postponed this year, so.
I mean, you've got even like Game Cons, like not ours, but actual like pinball.
Yeah, pinball. Yeah,
like
I've seen that.
They actually have like an actual like
Portal Pinball. They were down there.
You can actually like do that whole like convention and everything else like that. They do it at the basement level.
They have like so many cons. And what's really neat because to me it's just and con some people might say what does con mean? Con means convention. It's like short for convention. It's Dragon Convention.
So there's also Siege, which is Southern Interactive Gaming Expo. Mm-hmm. So that's more a business profession aspect, and there's those aspects as well. So they do those.
Would you believe me that if I told you that the word dinosaur wasn't invented in the dictionary until 1841? And people referred to dinosaurs as dragons. So I mean, yeah, right? That's kind of like a segue. Dragon Con. Okay, I'm working here. So yeah, so the word dinosaur wasn't in the dictionary until 1841, and before that, everyone was talking about dragons. So I sometimes think about like, were there actually like, because some people there was no dinosaurs or there were dinosaurs. I believe there were dinosaurs. Just like there were black bears in Cobb County. But when man comes in and builds skyscrapers and build roads, what happens to the black bears? They go.
We had a black bear in Cobb County.
Cobb County. There were probably more. There was probably thousands of them here. And so that's like so now you can say, hey, I didn't know that. Yeah, Google it. The word dinosaur didn't come out until 1841. And the person that actually brought out the word actually owned some museums, and they had dinosaurs bones. So I don't know. Take that wherever you're going to take it. Take that wherever you're going to take it. But I'm Terrence, Computer Concierge with Computers Plus, signing off, reminding you guys again, free diagnostic Fridays. We got an empty food basket here. Bring some food in so we can get out to Cobb County. Love your veterans. Support your veterans. We got to do more for our veterans. And 2 weeks, Dragon Con, right? 2 weeks.
Labor Day weekend.
See you guys. Have a great day.